Hi everyone, my name is Ellen Grace Artabuno and welcome to my video tutorial for Excel Fundamentals. Arithmetic operations, sorting, and charting. Today, I'll demonstrate how to use Microsoft Excel by entering data, performing arithmetic operations, sorting it, and creating a chart. Let's get started. I've opened Microsoft Excel and now I'm creating a new blank workbook. Now I'll enter 10 rows of data in 2 columns. In column A, I'll enter numbers like expenses or grades. In column B, I'll enter names or product types. This data will help us with calculations, sorting, and charting later on. Now, I'll demonstrate the 4 basic arithmetic operations using Excel formulas. You can do this in column C, D, E, and F or on a separate part of the sheet. Addition. In cell 1, I'm entering A1 plus 5. To add 5 to the first value, drag the formula down to C10. Subtraction. In cell D1, I'm entering A1 minus 2. Subtraction. In cell D1, I'm entering A1 minus 2 to subtract 2 from the first value. Drag down to D10. Multiplication. In cell E1, A1 asterisk 3. Multiplies the number by 3. Drag down to E10. Division. And in F1, A1 divided by 2 divides the number by 2 and drag down. These formulas help you apply consistent calculations across large sets of data. Now, I'll show you how to sort the data. Sort numbers in column A in ascending order. I'll select all the data in column A. And go to the Data tab. Then click Sort Smallest to Largest. Sort text in column B. I select column B and again click Sort A to Z. This is useful when organizing information like names, products, or numerical data. Next, I'll create a chart using the numbers in column A. Highlight cells A1 to A10. Go to Insert, Recommended Charts by or line. Insert the chart. Now, I'll add a title to the chart. Click on the chart title. Then type your full name. This makes your chart personalized and ready for presentations or reports. Let's recap what we did today. 1. Entered random data. 2. Perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. 3. Sorted numerical and text data. 4. Created and labeled a chart. These are some of the most essential Excel skills for managing and presenting data. That wraps up my video on Excel fundamentals. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. My name is Elaine Grace Artabuna and thank you for watching.